First song is called Two Meatballs.
Okay, you can only get that close to this. Okay, I just learned this song. God help me. It's Elin Jewel. You probably know Elin Jewel. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's do a little intro. Go with this A minor. 16. I'm not gonna sing yet. All the way. 16 Got it. I rode 16 wheels all the way, 16 nights and lonely days. I'm going back, I wish I never came. Yeah, I'm going someplace where they never say your name. You kept me up all night with your coke and gin. Left me next morning, you turned me in. And that's evil, baby, you're no good. I forget about you, baby, if I could. Sorry, bass. I'll slow down. Well, you show me the well and you don't let me drink. You threw my heart right in just to watch it sink. And it went down, all the way down. And I'm going there too, over the edge and drown. Sorry, bass. I go my own time, it's bad. I'm gonna lay my head on some railroad lines. Last thing I'll hear is that engine cry. I'm going back, I wish I never came. Yeah, I'm going someplace where they never say your name. I rode 16 wheels all the way, 16 nights and lonely days. I'm going back, I wish I never came. Yeah, I'm going someplace where they never say your name. Woo! I'm saying thank y'all.
All our songs.
It's so sad. No. I never sang at all till about 2 or so years ago because I was raised by, I play the auto harp, and I was raised by musicians, and I decided my children had to learn these body songs that my parents raised me with, and so then I just started singing. So never say that you can't.
Now they're all hippies living in commune. Good job.
That's right. Okay. Now it was really, really hard for me to sing these first words, but they're the truth.
This is John Prine.
I am an old woman named after my mother. Let's do a warm-up. I'm not happy. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am an old woman named after my mother. My old man is another child dreams were lightning, thunder was desire. This old house would have burnt down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. When I was a young gal, well, I had me a cowboy. He won't much to look at, just a free rambling man. Well, that was a long time, no matter how I tried. Them years just flew by like a broken down dam. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. Keep it slow. Good, Josh. There's flies in the kitchen. Can you hear them there buzzing, Monica? But I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening and got nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. I hate my life. Thank you, y'all.